Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all will be fine. So, as you guys must be able to understand by looking the thumbnail, what is the video about? So, let's start the video without wasting any time. Are you worried because you don't know English? Does this happen to you too many times when you study an English subject that you don't understand? Then you leave it. Why? What's the reason? Obviously, reason is no English learning and no understanding. So don't worry, don't panic. I will explain in this video what the reason and what the solution. But despite so many problems, you still want to learn English. In this video, I would like to tell you that you neither need to spend any money nor need to go anywhere. So this video is perfect for you. Watch it till the end and follow what are these steps. So first of all you have to go to on Google. Don't go to Play Store because this application is not available on Play Store, so you have to go to on Google itself. And then after coming here you have to simple write hello app for learning English and you have to search. As soon as you search, some application will appear in front of you. You don't have to do anything. Just install the third application below in your mobile. Now you don't have to do anything, just get back. And now you have to open the hello application. I have already installed this application in my mobile, so I will not tell you what are the steps start to and set up what. It is very easy to set up. You will do it simple. I am saying this because the video will be too long if I start telling you even this small process, so you will do the setup and then I am telling in the further process. So after opening the application, here it will ask you for the permission of the location. You have to do simple OK, and even if you want, do not give it the permission. It will work easily, no problem. In the application you will be see three options here like followers, teachers and students. Just you have to click on student option because only with them you will be able to talk free of cost. So I really like this application because this is application is no requirement to any payment for learning. So this application is absolutely good. It's my feedback on my side. And in the teachers option, live classes are running for you, which are taught by the teachers of different countries. Although in this option you cannot talk face to face with teachers, but you can ask your doubts in the chat section by the writing. And the last, in the followers option, you have those students whom you have to follow. After clicking on the student option, you can talk to any student you want. The best features of the application is that you can talk as much as you want to in it, that to free of cost, and no time limitation for talk to anyone. Now any student you want to talk, just simple select them and ask them to join you in the comments. I just explained to you. I write here like in the comments, hi, could you join me, etc. And then after writing this much, that person will join you. And if this being doesn't join you, then you try to someone else. Don't panic guys, just try to again someone else because there are lot of people. So please don't panic and enjoy that application. And then that person will join you. And then in the same way you can talk to anyone as much as you want. In this application we also get many people from India and many people from outside India also get to talk. I will give the description of the video in the link of the description section. You can download directly from there. And with this we end the video right here. I hope you enjoy the video very much. If you really like the video, then subscribe the channel Veers Tech and like the video. Thank you, bye bye, see you till then, keep learning and more exploring.